Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Simon. Today we're ready for another numbers talk. Hope you're ready. Let's look at our 10 frame first of all. Today I've filled out the 10 frame, and I would like for you to look at these 10 frames and tell me the number that we're going to talk about today. So go ahead, do that. Count it up. I'll make faces at you. Okay, did you count it? Let's count together. I hope you were right. How many of you said 15? I hope so. Let's count. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hey, I have a question for you. How many of my friends just looked at this and said, oh, I know that's 10. I don't have to count it. Because if it's all filled up, it's 10. Did you do it that way? Because if you did, you would have said 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if you know that, it's perfectly fine to start like that. But if you're not sure, just count the whole thing. 1, 2, and go like that. Okay, look here. Look. I've spelled the word name out for you. Now, boys and girls, we don't have to know word names, but I'm just putting them in so you can see them and so we can practice a little bit of our letters and sounds. 15. What letter does 15 start with? You're right, an F. Maybe you can think of some other words that start with the F sound this week. Okay, we also want to count it. Look, I have little ducks today, little ducks with eggs. I should have 15. So can you count them with me? Let's go. You ready? Don't count ahead of me. Count with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Beautiful. Boys and girls, bring your eyes over here. You'll see I have part of a number of a hundreds chart, only to 30, but I want you to find our number 15 on this chart. Go ahead, I'll give you a second to point to it and find it. Good job. I hope your finger is right there on 15. Now that we found it on the chart, how about on do you remember what this is? What do we call it? Yes, a number line. Can you find 15 on the number line? Ooh, I hope your sweet finger is right there on 15. Now let me ask you a question. If my number is 15, what would happen if I had one less? Suppose, boys and girls, one little chick went away. If I had one less, how many would I have? Who can tell me what I would have if I had one less? Give you a second to think about that. You know what? There's 3 ways up here that you can figure that out. Actually, 4 ways. You could count because I've taken one off, so now there is one less. You could just look up here at the chart and find 15 and think, which way do I go to find one less? You could look at the number line and think, here's 15. Do I go up or do I go backwards to find one less? Or maybe you could even use the 10 frame and take one off. So, what was your answer? 1 less than 15 is what? Beautiful. I hope you said 14. Because think about it. We could count them. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 less than 15 is 14. Beautiful, boys and girls. Or, I'm just going to put him back so we have him for later. Or I could have looked at this and said, here's 15. I know I go backwards, so 1 less is 14. Same thing up here. What do I say when I'm counting? What do I say before I say 15? I say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, 15. Oh, 1 less than 15 is 14. Now, what about one more? If I'm at 15, what is 1 more than 15? Can you find it here? I'll give you a second. What did you say? Beautiful. I hope you said 16. 1 more than 15 is 16. And if I wanted to, I could do it on the 10 frame. Remember, this is 10. So if you want, you can keep counting from there and go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 1 more would be 16. Beautiful, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful day. Hey, write your numbers to 15. Go count out 15 objects. Have a great day.